Type of construction vehicles in English. Crawler excavator. Front shovel mining excavator. Wheeled excavator. Demolition excavator. Feller buncher. Scrap handler. Front and backhoe loader. Bulldozer. Trencher. Forwarder. Skidder. Rock breaker. Wheel loader. Skid steer loader. Forklift. Reach truck. Reach stacker. Telehandler. Container handler. Bucket truck. Crane truck. Crawler crane. Carry deck crane. Harvester. Asphalt paver. Grader. Road roller. Pneumatic road roller. Asphalt milling machine. Concrete pump truck. Concrete mixer truck. Mining truck. Articulated truck. Wheel tractor scraper. Flatbed truck. Tank truck. Dump truck. Tow truck. Garbage truck. Scissor lift. Single man lift. Boom lift. Rotary drilling rig. Compressor. Mobile generator. Mobile light tower. Gantry crane. Tower crane. Bucket wheel excavator. Tractor. Pallet jack. Hand truck. Platform trolley. Cargo show. Wheelbarrow.